I'm Craig Anderson, and I'm the CEO and founder of the Sunglass Fix. We've gone and sampled almost every lens around the world, and what we basically have come up with is what we think is probably the most crystal clear, lightweight, safe and durable lens on the market. There's a few reasons why somebody should choose us. Number one is just the quality of the lenses. You can't really get a better quality of lenses for the price. Our lens selection's by far the largest in the world. We've got over 100,000 models that we can produce on any given day. The other reason is we do ship worldwide to everybody. So not only are you getting the best quality, you're getting free shipping anywhere in the world. But the third reason is really our customer service. We put the customer absolutely first. No matter what, our main goal is to make sure that your sunglasses get fixed.